Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my favourite cleaning products, and I hate cleaning, but I don't mind cleaning with our products because they're so good, because a little bit goes a long way. And if you've heard me talking about this before, I often say that the FM cleaning products are super concentrated. For that reason, you don't need that much, so a little goes a long way. This is the multi-surface soft cleaner. You'll have seen me do in a video, I'm going to put it up there, for the multi-surface, the other cleaner we have, which is a spray, which is a liquid, and it's gorgeous. This one is more of a cream. Well, it is a cream. It's like Jif or Sif, now it's called. 750ml. It retails at £8.40. So I'm going to put the link to that as well, so you can order it directly. As I say, it's full. It's a full product, and how hard this ages, it goes a long way. So £8.40, the link is below, or you can get it for £6.80 if you open your own customer account. And I'm a huge advocate for opening your own account. We want to save money, don't we? So I'm going to put the link below as well, where you can order it directly at your own customer pricing, which is, like I say, £6.80. So it's scrub free cleaning as well. So you just put it on your cloth and it just glides. You can put it on your worktops, you can wipe down your sinks, you can wipe down your cookers, you can do all sorts with this product. As I say, it is a multi-surface soft cleaner. So all the links are below. If you want to order some, grab a bottle today. Bye.